I'm bringing her up to 70% here now, then we turn on our generator.
Charlie Golf Oscar, St. John's Tower, good afternoon. Runway 29's the active, wind 31015, altimeter 3022 Tango, current liftoff from the purchase at your discretion.
Roger, we check the wind. We have Tango and liftoff our discretion. Charlie Golf Oscar.
Charlie Golf Oscar, Tower, squawk code for you in a second.
Roger, okay, thanks for that. Her revving up or what?
Yeah, a little bit of speed there, right? Look your best today now, Morris, because you're on camera.
No, yeah, we have to go down here first, do our launch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
What's our altitude?
We're at 900 right now.
That's what.
Over sea level.
Yeah.
So that puts us about 400 over ground.
Yeah.
Okay, the Jet Ranger 206B, she was built in 1968, originally owned by Transport Canada. The aircraft was used exclusively for check rides for senior MOT personnel to keep them current on their licenses. So the aircraft, you know, had very little rugged training, maneuvers or anything done with it, other than, of course, they would execute autos.
Right.
But being an MOT machine, of course, she was certainly held in the highest standard of maintenance and that, so very fortunate that to be able to get her. So I got her in 2012, and I've had her 5 years now.
Charlie Golf Oscar, Tower, sorry about that. You can squawk code 1235.
Oh, okay, that's good. You ready for your ride today now, or what?
I would love to go today, but my sister's still in school. I'm not off for another half hour, and then I got to get the rascals off the bus about 20 minutes after that.
Oh my, such a busy little beaver you are.
Now, if we could coordinate it, maybe we could have picked them up from school at their parking lot. That would have been outrageous.
Oh yeah, they would have loved that, yeah. Where's Ricky at now? Do you see him?
He's actually off radar. Last reported he was about 10 miles in front of you at 1.5.
Okay, roger that. Yeah, yeah. It's not like trying to fly a Herc or something.
No.
You know, although even there, you know, with all the hydraulics and everything, it's not
Yeah.
a big issue. This one does have hydraulics in it too, by the way.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
And you see, she was originally built as an A, not a B. A was the original Jet Ranger aircraft.
Oh, okay.
But they modified them to a B, probably about 10 years after or something.
Oh, I see.
And the A originally had the hydraulics in it, and once they started flying them and that, they said, well, geez, we don't need the hydraulics in it anyway. So future models then didn't have it in it, but because this one was an A and had it in it, she still does.
Right. Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah.
It's a bonus.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
A little bit of cloud up, but that's up high.
Yeah.
That's way above us.
Yeah, that's all Cirrus stuff up there.
Yeah. Where are we to now? It's just Ken Mountain Road.
Ken Mountain Road here.
It doesn't take long. What's our forward airspeed? What's our...
Right now, well, we're our airspeed is 105 miles per hour. Our ground speed is 75 knots, so that's roughly about almost 90 miles an hour.
Oh,
so
okay.
it means we probably got about a 15-mile-an-hour headwind there.
Okay. Still at roughly 500?
Oh no, we're after going up now. We're up, we're up 1,400. We were at 900 before, right? So I brought her up a little bit over here.
Right.
With the towers and that. All right, well, I'll go back there now. I'm right over Paddy's Pond there now. Dave wants to get a few pictures here first, so. Okay, I'll go to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, where are you at anyway? Yeah, okay, well, geez, you're only around the corner. Okay, all right.
Go for Charlie Hotel, Quebec.
Yeah, Roger, we're just taking a few little circuits around Paddy's Pond here first, and then we'll attend to your photo shoot. Make sure you got your best side on.
Yes, you charmer. I'll listen to you on the radio.
Video now, so nice and smooth. I zoomed in on him, see?
Thought you said you're at my 9 o'clock.
The other 9 o'clock.
I just noticed that.
You're at my 9 o'clock.
Not what you said. Morris, is he still filming?
He's taking a few pictures there, yeah, and he's taking some film there now again, yeah.
All right, I'll just put her nose over and speed it up.
You're going to speed up here now.
Okay. Yeah, that's perfect.
Ooh, that's bright.
Isn't it? I'm just winging it here now.
Yeah, okay, let me get over a little bit.
That's smooth.
Well,
Sure.
getting the wind a little bit over this way, I think.
Yeah. There you go.
Down.
Good. Ground's pretty well, not frozen, but it's pretty
Yeah.
stiff.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No. You got quite the cliffs next to your house, eh?
Oh, yeah, yeah, you gotta watch that first step.
I bet.
Not much wind there anyway.
No, it's not, is it?
West-northwest, so yeah.
Okay.
We'll make the approach the same way we just flew over.
I thought all of Red Cliff was torn away now, but there's still mountains.
Oh, yeah, those walls are massive.
Yeah.
Little gust there that time.
A little gusty.